This topical medication is used to protect skin ulcers, burns, or wounds from irritation so that the skin can heal properly. It can also help relieve itching and pain from various skin conditions. The active ingredient, hyaluronate, is a natural substance found in your body and works by forming a protective layer over the affected area. Use as directed by your healthcare provider. Apply a thin layer to the affected area and cover with a sterile dressing if needed. Be sure to wash your hands before and after applying the medication. It is important to apply this medication at the same time every day for the best results. When using Woundgelha Matrix 2.5% topical not applicable, make sure to only apply it on the skin. Before and after each use, make sure to wash your hands if you use your hands to apply the product. Clean the affected area as directed by your doctor before applying the medication. Gently apply a thin layer of the medication to the affected area of the skin, usually 2 to 3 times daily. If the product is a liquid suspension, remember to shake the container well before each use. The frequency of applying the medication depends on your medical condition and how you respond to treatment. It's important to use this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. Try to use it at the same times each day to help you remember. If your condition does not improve or gets worse, make sure to inform your doctor. It's important to remember that your doctor prescribed this medication because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. Although it's rare, a serious allergic reaction to this drug can occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of potential side effects. If you notice any other effects not mentioned here, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you're in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Woundgelha Matrix 2.5% topical, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions. It's important to discuss your medical history with your healthcare provider before using this medication. If you are scheduled to have an MRI test, it's crucial to inform the testing personnel that you are using this product. Certain brands of this medication may contain metals that can cause serious burns during an MRI, so it's important to seek guidance from your doctor or pharmacist. If you are pregnant, this medication should only be used when clearly needed. It's important to weigh the risks and benefits with your doctor before using this medication during pregnancy. It is unclear whether this drug passes into breast milk, so it's important to consult your doctor before using this medication while breastfeeding. When using Woundgelha Matrix 2.5% topical, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how the medication works or increase the risk of serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products. It's important not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. One specific product to be aware of is certain disinfectants, such as benzalkonium chloride, which may interact with Woundgelha Matrix 2.5% topical. Be sure to discuss any concerns with your healthcare provider. Remember to follow the recommended dosage and timing for optimal benefits. Always consult with a medical professional before making any changes to your medication routine. If this medication is swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek medical attention immediately. In the United States, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. It is important to keep this medication out of reach of children and to use it as directed by your healthcare provider. Always follow the recommended dosage and do not exceed the prescribed amount. Be sure to store this medication in a safe place away from children and pets. This medication is for your current condition only, so do not share it with others or use it for a different skin condition unless directed by your doctor. Some variations of this medication may also include other ingredients that can provide moisture or soothe the affected area. If you have any questions about this, ask your doctor or pharmacist. If you forget to apply a dose of Woundgelha Matrix 2.5% topical, apply it as soon as you remember. However, if it's almost time for your next dose, then skip the missed dose and continue with your regular dosing schedule. Do not apply a double dose to make up for the missed one. This medication should be stored at room temperature and kept out of reach of children and pets. It should not be flushed down the toilet or poured into a drain unless specifically instructed. When the product is expired or no longer needed, it should be properly discarded. It's best to consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.